We are Lippert, a global manufacturing company that specializes in enhancing experiences and delivering top-quality solutions across various industries. Rail is one of the markets we proudly serve. We offer premium railway solutions fabricated with cutting-edge engineering and technology that distinctively sets us apart. We strive to be trendsetters in the rolling stock market by supplying innovative products that enhance the rail line industry because we believe in the power of originality with groundbreaking product solutions that are a step above the rest, combined with processes and core values as key factors that ensure maximum added value for our stakeholders. Our passion for ensuring that everyone has superior experiences and elite service fuels our mission of making lives better. And we capitalize on that mission by developing meaningful relationships with our coworkers, customers, partners, and communities. The Lippert culture is driven by strong ethical values that define who we are as a business, as leaders, and as individuals. And by working together every day for the greater good of those around us, we aspire to enhance every passenger's experience with advanced railway solutions that take the rolling stock to new horizons. Lippert, where everyone matters. And whenever and wherever, we make your experience better.